Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to put gradient color to text in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu, go to the drawing option and click new. Firstly, go to the action drop down menu and click word art. Now I'm write something. Then click enter on your keyboard. Select the text and go to the fill color. Here we can see here are gradient. Now click gradient. Here are many gradient here already. Now I click this color. Now I increase border white. Change the border color. You can choose any gradient color. Then click save and close. Now here we can see put gradient color to text in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.